Okay, in this third tutorial we're going to make our GUI interactive. The classic way of doing that is by adding buttons. So let's go ahead and add a simple button. The title of the button is the text that it will display, so I'm going to put the message "press me," and then we need to specify a function. So this means that every time the button is clicked, the GUI needs to know what to do. So we associate each button with a function. So I'm going to create a function called press. So let's go back to the top and let's define a press function. Now the way appJar works, it will actually send the text displayed on the button to this function. So I have to create the one parameter. I'm going to call it button, and that will contain the text "press me." So let's just check that works. Let's print that out and let's test it. So there's our GUI. We've now got a button, and every time I press this button, it should call the press function, which is this one here, and it will print the parameter btn, which should be the text displayed on that button. So let's try that out. And there we can see it's printing "press me." If I were to change the text on my button and run that again, the output will now be slightly different. And there we can see it's just saying "press." The reason we've done this is so that you can have multiple buttons and each one can link to the same function, and you can distinguish which button is calling that function. So now we've got three buttons in here. We know they're pressing "press," "press me too," "press me" as well.